Essential question 5 is, what were the military and political turning points of the war? We're not going to spend a lot of time here because your textbook really looks over a lot of things that, in the context of the AP US History test, are not necessarily need to know things. Obviously, the more you know, the better. But we can look at past exams and understand what the writers of these exams tend to ask about. What do they ask about year after year with regularity? And we can kind of narrow our focus down to those particular subjects, which is what we're doing in this whole course, but this is just especially prominent on this particular question. So first, the only military action that you need to know in the latter days of the war is the Battle of Gettysburg in 1863. Here, a second Confederate invasion of the North was defeated by the Union, and the Confederacy could really do little more than retreat after this particular battle. The only other thing you need to know here is that Lincoln won re-election in 1864, and he was challenged, and for a period of time it looked like he might actually lose to his Democratic challenger in the North. But Lincoln was aided by the so-called Fall of Atlanta, which was a major Union victory in the South, and it created the perception that the war was being won, that Lincoln's leadership was effective, and perhaps the war was soon to end.